What do you say to the person in this case that, it's diversion and we think they might be taking it for self-use, and they say, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not taking anything. I don't have a problem. You can drug test me right now.
Well, first, I think it depends on what are you allowed or not allowed to do, right? Or just do whatever. And I'll tell you, we have a lot of these assumptions that, like, if somebody says, well, I want my attorney, the assumption is, well, they must be guilty. Only guilty people ask for attorneys, which is, if my recommendation is, if you're being interrogated, get an attorney.
Ask for an attorney.
And so sometimes we make, again, these assumptions based off of, well, then just drug test me anyway. Well, then that must mean that they're innocent, or they're, because who would volunteer for that if they,
right.
Or maybe it's a bluff. We don't know.
But we cannot assume they're innocent just because they offer up a drug test.
No, and just the opposite. We shouldn't assume people are guilty when it's the same thing. If somebody says, well, I'm not talking to you unless my union rep is here or my attorney's here, or give me a polygraph, I swear I didn't do it. I don't think we should make any assumptions of guilt or innocence. The best way to identify if somebody's telling the truth is to get as much information from them as possible and then compare that to the evidence, right, that we have.